Bagnaia dropping down through the 5th gear, 6 gears left. Here he comes. He's lined this one up, and Bagnaia decides this is the crunch time. This is his moment in this German Grand Prix. For the first time then, he hits the front, the world champion in P1. Martin's going for it on board, thanks to that Simon. They're side by side, aren't they, in the braking zone for turn number 12? Well, we've got our answer. Jorge Martin then back at the front. 3.5 to go then here on the Sachsenring. We can almost reach out and touch Jorge Martin's exhaust pipes. Coming on a Ducati, here he goes then. He's got the corner speed, he gets blocked off. Coming through on the curbs, Bagnaia and Martin. Martin chops Bagnaia's nose off down the bottom of the hill into turn number 12.
Bagnaia getting into a good position now to line up Martin. He's going to have a good run onto the home straight.
They touch coming through the final corner. Front tyre on rear tyre for Bagnaia and Martin, and that could be key. We're coming down now to the final 2 corners. Jorge Martin has, what, half a dozen bike lengths on Pecco Bagnaia. He tries to close in on the brakes. How's he going to make a move in the final corner? Martin on the inside line, coming up to down this final corner, turn number 13. He goes defensive, and surely Jorge Martin has got this one covered. Although here comes Pecco Bagnaia trying to pick up some drive grip. They come on line side by side. Oh, inches in it. How close. He's our sprint winner here in the Sachsenring. Take your hat off to Jorge Martin. The big fist bump, the big smile. 2 wins in the last 3 sprints for him. And without any question, make no mistake, Jorge Martin is a title contender in 2023.
Of now Jorge Martin, who moves up into 2nd place in the World Championship with his 2nd sprint win of the year. The Martinator marches into title contention.